Today I am reviewing the XFX Swift AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of this GPU lies the AMD RX 9070 XT chipset, part of AMD's latest RDNA 4 architecture. This architecture is engineered to deliver impressive performance gains over previous generations while optimizing power efficiency. The result? You get blistering fast frame rates, realistic visuals, and a cooler, quieter experience during intense gaming sessions. One of the standout features of this model is its massive 16GB of GDDR6 memory. This high-speed memory allows the card to handle the most demanding textures, large game worlds, and complex 3D environments without breaking sweat. For gamers running titles at 1440p or even 4K resolution, this generous VRAM buffer means you can expect smooth gameplay without constant loading or stuttering, even on the latest AAA games. When it comes to clock speeds, the XFX Swift RX 9070 XT does not disappoint. With a boost clock of up to 2,970 MHz, this GPU is built for speed. It can dynamically ramp up performance to meet your gaming or rendering needs, pushing your frames per second higher and helping you maintain a smooth, immersive experience, whether you're in fast-paced shooters, open-world RPGs, or creative workflows like video editing and 3D rendering. Cooling is crucial for any high-performance GPU, and XFX has equipped this card with its proprietary SWFD triple fan cooling solution. This triple fan setup not only provides excellent airflow, but also keeps the GPU temperatures well in check during long gaming marathons. Thanks to the advanced design, the fans operate quietly, so you won't be distracted by loud fan noise even when the card is working hard. The heat dissipation ensures your GPU maintains stable performance without thermal throttling. Connectivity options include 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port, giving you versatile options to connect multiple high-resolution monitors or VR headsets. This flexibility makes the XFX Swift RX 9070 XT perfect for immersive multi-monitor gaming setups or professional content creation studios. Overall, the XFX Swift AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT Triple Fan Gaming Edition is an outstanding choice for gamers and creators who want high-end performance combined with solid cooling and ample VRAM. It strikes a great balance between power and efficiency, making it ideal for 1440p and 4K gaming, VR, and demanding creative tasks. If you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, this GPU deserves serious consideration. With its impressive specs, reliable cooling, and strong performance, the XFX Swift RX 9070 XT delivers the premium gaming experience you're looking for. Whether it's pushing pixels in the latest titles or accelerating your creative workflow, this graphics card stands ready to elevate your PC to the next level.